In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interfaces in Airtable. Interface Builder 2026. Interfaces in Airtable let you build streamlined, role-based views of your data, so teammates see exactly what they need without digging through tables. Think of them as custom dashboards and workspaces powered by your base. Let's walk through the setup together. First, go to airtable.com. If you don't already have it bookmarked, just type the address into your browser. Next, log into your Airtable account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's email and password or single sign-on. It's quick, and once you're in, you're ready to build. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base where you can access workspaces, bases, and anything you've worked on recently. On the dashboard, look for the recent section showing bases you've opened. You can click any recent base to continue working, or start fresh by creating a new base if you're setting up something new. Once you're inside a base, look along the top of the screen for the main options and click Interfaces. This opens the Interface Designer area where your interface projects live. Here, you'll see two ways to start: Build with AI or build it yourself. Build with AI is great if you want a quick starting point based on your base's structure. It can generate layouts that you can refine. Build it yourself gives you full control from the start, which is perfect if you have a clear vision or specific requirements. If you want to start from scratch, choose Build it yourself. You'll see two choices: build an interface or build a form. Forms are for collecting data into your base from others. Interfaces are for exploring and acting on data that already exists. For this tutorial, choose Interface. You'll see guidance like design a simpler way to work with templates for common use cases. Pick a template that matches your workflow, or choose a blank layout if you prefer to design from the ground up. Next, power it with data by selecting the table you want to pull from. If your workflow spans multiple tables, start with the primary one. You can add linked records and elements later as needed. Now customize and share. Add elements like record lists, detail views, charts, calendars, or buttons. Arrange sections to highlight key metrics and actions. Give your interface a clear name and an icon so teammates recognize it at a glance. Then follow the prompts to finish setup. When you're ready, adjust access so the right people can view or edit, and share it with your team. That's it. Your Airtable interface is ready to make work simpler and more focused.